Another Dunkin' run at the dunk to get Tootie her cup of joe. What's up, Mooch Lifers, and welcome back. Tootie's behind the camera. I'm rocking it on the highway in the Silverado. We're heading yonder down the highway right now. We're heading to a special place. Another food vlog here today on Mooch Life. We are going somewhere super special. We're going to see the shop of two individuals who are straight up killing it on social media with almost 700,000 subscribers on YouTube. Seth and Scott from WHITEFEATHER Meats in our backyard. We're going to pick up some of their special blends, see the storefront, get some cool shots inside, maybe pick up a few rather extravagant pieces of meat so that we can grill right in the backyard. Something exquisite, something really delicious. These guys are killing it. When you think of barbecue, you think of North Carolina, you think of the South, you think of Texas. Do you think of Ohio? You don't, but you should, because the Bearded Butchers are killing it up here in the Midwest. So let's get over to WHITEFEATHER Meats, kick some butt, get some meat, maybe buy a new grill, even though my wife doesn't want me to. Who knows? Let's go get into some fun right here on Mooch Life. Dunkin' Duck. Oh, as usual. You ready to get some meat? Some delicious meat? What are you trying to get?
Henry treats.
Henry treats. They have treats for puppies
They
there.
said they have dog food.
Dog food.
But
Oh.
I'm sure they'll have something for them.
Okay, we'll have to check that out too, huh? All right. Is it this big building up here? That's a school. Oh wait. Oh yeah, right there. Check it out, guys.
Ooh, it's cute.
Right there. We are here, ladies and gentlemen. WHITEFEATHER Meats. Oh yeah, check it out. You excited, babe? I am too. Let's go get some food. We're here, guys, in Creston, Ohio at WHITEFEATHER Meats. What a wonderful place already. We're not even inside yet. The Perkins family here, they got a huge assortment of meat, spices, and grills. And they got the nice old bison chilling there. There's the storefront right there, looking awesome. So we'll go inside and check it out. Check out the meat. Let's go. After you, babe. Wow. We are inside WHITEFEATHER Meats, the mecca of the Midwest butchers. So let's go take a quick tour of the shop here and see what it has to offer. First order of business, get a cart. Let's fill it up. So as soon as you enter the store, you turn right and you're in the green egg section. All kinds of supplies to get you going, get your outdoor adventures, all your cooking needs to come to fruition. They got like every accessory for the green eggs here. They got covers, they got charcoal igniters, they got charcoal starters, utility racks, salt and pepper shakers even, that's pretty cool. Extra long matches, cleaning supplies, pretty neat. Then you get over to the actual big kahuna here, and you got your big green egg, it's awesome. And it comes with this super awesome table. Check that out. It's like a holder for it with accessory shelves. You prep all your food up here on the stainless steel section. It's pretty awesome. There's some wood chunks. There's all the different options. Pricing. What's that? Tootie's still in the buggy. Go fill it up. So we're definitely going to get a pack of this butcher's paper. So we're going to need that. And there's some more of their awesomeness here. They got a little Lodge cast iron, which we have like 3 or 4 items from them. I think Tootie was picking up something actually, throwing the buggy there. Little season kit. I think it was this right here, the cast iron care kit. So that'll be cool. And then there's some more accessories for the green eggs. They got pizza slice servers. They got cooking grid cleaner, flexible grill light, pizza dough mats. They got like every accessory ever. They got their own knife sets that you can get for them, racks for ribs and roast, All kinds of cool barbecue gloves and stuff. Check this one out. Beautiful wood. So now we'll head over to one of the most popular areas, I'm sure, of the store here will be their seasoning, because these guys are killing it with their Bearded Butcher blend seasoning. They got all these flavors here: the original, Chipotle, Cajun, Hot, Hollywood, and Black. We're definitely picking up some of those to experiment with and see how we like them on our meat. If you like them that much, you can even buy them by the tub. Hardcore smoking to ensue. And they got some coffee grounds. They got different sauces and pastas and pickles and honey. It's pretty cool. And then here's some of their other coffee stuff here. Got the Bearded Butcher blend coffee mug. We'll be getting that, so I might as well grab it now. Hey Tootie. So for the coolest part of the store, right here, the meat freezers, all the food right here, guys, so check it out. You see anything you want, babe? Oh, what'd you get? Some chicken patties. Well, we have to head over back this way because there's something I want. I don't know, it might be a secret. Can't tell you what this is, guys. You're gonna have to wait for an episode on the channel where we grill this thing up, so we'll get to that later on. Now another awesome part of this store right over here is the Traeger section. Now we're talking, guys. Top of the line gear here. One day, baby, one day. They got all their accessories here too. All the different flavors of pellets for the Traeger. Fill them in the box there. They got these awesome units that have Wi-Fi control, and you can set the temperature and the smoke and all that, and you can actually see and sense how many pellets are in the unit right from your phone. Check it out. How don't you want to cook all the meat with these units? They even got t-shirts and stuff, 30% off too. Traeger has their own lines too of different sauces here. They got Texas Spicy, Traeger Q, Sweet and Heat, Sugar Lips, and Apricot. I'd like to try that. We got different rubs. It's like serious business, this smoking thing. All this like man cooking, if you want to call it. I'm really getting interested in it. I've only made a few videos so far, but I'm enjoying cooking, smoking meat, and this is like the ultimate spot to be in the Midwest right now. Huge YouTube channel here, and it's awesome being inside the store right now. Even got a big old bison up on the wall. Check that thing out. Tootie up there getting ready to spend all the money. They even have the pooch section. You can get some treats for your animal. And here's some of their gear right here on the back wall. They got t-shirts and hoodies and lanyards and hats. These hats are pretty cool. We love hats on Mooch Life. And back there is where the magic happens. We better do a buggy check. What do we got so far? And then we got to get a couple of these guys here too. Deep and Dark Bearded Butcher Blend Black, coffee and molasses. So this is a deep, robust flavor. So we're gonna check that one out. And since you love the coffee so much, you're probably gonna enjoy this more than me. I just found the deal, guys. You get the 4 seasonings and the barbecue sauce here in the package, so we're definitely getting that. And this is where the magic happens, guys. They're back there doing their thing. We did some shopping, we checked out everything we needed to here. It's a beautiful store. We're super excited and glad we came today. Give you one more pan around the store. If for some reason somebody actually is silly enough to have seen this video before you've seen these guys, make sure you check them out, the Bearded Butchers. They're killing it. They actually do classes here every once in a while for the Traeger grills. They have a cool thing where you can sign up and come here and they show you everything you need to know about the smoking and doing all kinds of cool tricks and tips, and they give you a goodie bag with all kinds of cool things in it, like knives and butcher blocks and all kinds of stuff like that. So make sure you come down here, the Whitefeather Meats, and check it out. We're gonna go ahead and check out here, hit the road, and get home so we can do some grilling. Well, guys, just like that, we're in and we're out. What a great time here at Whitefeather Meats. These dudes, like I said, they're killing it. They were in the back there. I saw them. Tried to film them a little bit in the back. I don't know if you can see it, but they're busy guys, obviously. They're doing all kinds of stuff with this beautiful establishment. Storefront is awesome. These guys are they're doing good things here. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this Ohio Midwest butcher shop. They're killing it. Like I said at the beginning of the video, when you think of barbecue, it's North Carolina, it's Texas, but you better start thinking Ohio, because these dudes right here, the Bearded Butchers, they're coming for the whole country with their barbecue. Their seasoning should be awesome. We're gonna try it out on the channel. We're gonna want to see what it tastes like and how awesome it is on all the different meats we're gonna be eating. Glad we came here, Cody? Yeah, we got all the goodies. All right, so we're gonna get home and relax. Thanks for joining along for this tour of Whitefeather Meats. Thanks to the guys for the heads up on the Instagram for allowing me to film in there. And yeah, so we're gonna hit the road. That's Tootie, I'm Mooch. This is Mooch Life. Peace out.